Hey, it's Connor Madden Mobile back with another video, and today we have NFL Movers packs. So we got 4 of them, 60K each, so 240K in total. So let's get in. Ooh, whoa! Oh my God. Okay, that's nice. That is very good. Okay, Chris Long, 96 defensive end. Man, that's a nice pull. And we got our movers player, another Byron Maxwell. But dang, that's nice. So a very good first pack. He even updates my team. Nice. Alright, next pack. If this would stop, that would be awesome. I think we're about to have a network timeout, so. Alright, hey guys, sorry about that network timeout, but let's keep opening these packs. Oh, I thought we were going to have another network timeout there. Or maybe right here. First, James Starks. Oh, man, we don't get an elite movers player. Ooh, we get Russell Wilson, so not bad, not bad. As long as we get an elite. Jamie Collins, nice. Another movers player, Cedric Thornton, nice. And our final pack. Let's finish it with a bang, just like we started it. Here, I'm gonna start from the end this time. Boom. Come on. Where's our movers player? Ah, Byron Maxwell. Well, thank you for watching. Now, actually, hold up. What was his name? Chris Long. Let's go see how much he does for. Chris Long. Okay, if it would please load. Oh, he has a campus card. 165, 160, 140, 140. Well, that's a nice pull. That helped us make about half the coins, a little over half of the coins back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked and subscribe and stuff, and see ya.